Hello! Welcome to Nishita PPT. Today, my presentation is totally based on the topic of Internet. Created by Nishita. Uses of Internet. Online shopping. Playing online games. We can also get information about anything. We can watch online videos, movies. We can search for any website on internet, etc. Basics of Internet. What is the Internet? The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that is used. The standard Internet protocol suite TCP or IP to link several billions devices worldwide, also called the web, the World Wide Web, www, online. Homepage and web page. Homepage. Web pages. Homepage means the first page on the screen you can see at the website, typically containing a table of contents for the site. Web pages definition. Web pages are sites that allow you to post or comment about what you are thinking, and your friend will be able to read them and comment on them. Web browsers. How popular web browsers work? Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Definition of web browser. Definition of web browser. A web browser is a computer program used to accessing sites or information on a network such as World Wide Web. The main reason a person utilizes a browser is to view web pages on internet. The browser application retrieves or fetches code usually written in HTML hypertext markup language and or another language from a web server. Enter reads this code and renders display it as a web page for you to view. Search engine. What is search engine? Search engine, a website dedicated to search other websites and their contacts. A program that searches documents for specified keywords. It returns a list for the documents documents where the keyword were found. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and please set the bell icon on all. Okay.